Apparently, there's not a lot of tutorials for the Cameo Bun. So I am skipping a little bit ahead to do that style in my long hair community LHC All Styles Challenge. It's very simple. It is a cinnabun wrapped in a braid. So we're going to start with the beginning of a cinnabun. Ordinarily, I would finish the bun before I pin. But, oops, and watch out for bumps. Try that again. Whew. But this time I'm going to pin at the point where this portion of this type of bun stops. So I'm right here with loose hair. I'm going to do some pins, mostly to temporarily hold it while I braid this section. And you got to play around with it a little bit to see how much length you need left to get a braid all the way around the bun. Here's where my useful braid trick comes in. Borrow a little bit from another section because I left one too short. Okay. And then, don't really need that pin anymore. We can wrap it around the cinnabun and pin it in place. These are, of course, the Amish pins that I love, and you can go to my link bit.ly/hairtoys to see more about them. But here you have a cinnabun framed by a braid, and that is why it is called the Cameo.